Yeah.
Okay,
You're doing purple.
Purple.
Yeah. I'm gonna comb his hair too.
Hopefully my hair is long enough to do.
Look, Mommy, it's all the way to here.
Is that on the back of my hair? It feels like it's on the front.
It's on the front.
Oh, okay.
Hey, look. Welcome to Learning League. Everybody, we're doing Drew's hair. That's what we're doing.
Oh no.
Okay.
So
I'm
we're gonna
already
make over
scared.
Drew. Is that?
Oh, I'm already scared.
What should we do his hair?
So apparently Mommy and Sophia already did makeovers. So I
I'll
guess
link
it's
it below our
my
video.
turn.
We did. Sophia got a makeover by Mommy, and Mommy got a makeover by
your-
Sophia.
Your hair feels so good.
Oh, that's good.
Very long.
So no
feel
haircut
it, Mommy.
since
Feel it.
quarantine here.
Feel
so.
it.
I know it is. Okay, how should we style it? How do you want to style it?
I want to do it like your hair.
Or do you want to do it?
I want it
Ponytails?
yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do
There's so much talk going on behind me.
pigtails.
Oh, what else?
So did you
Whoa,
think
is
of
a
a
scary
name
thing to hear.
for our salon?
Salon.
Pick out 2 ponytails you want to do, and I'll put it in place.
So Sophia is also learning how to do hair.
Yeah.
She's learning how to do ponytails.
Does that feel good?
It does feel good.
I'm gonna keep doing it because I like it.
Oh, thank
How
you.
about purple? Do you think a purple's good?
Yeah. You're doing purple.
Purple.
Yeah. I'm gonna comb his hair too.
Hopefully my hair is long enough to do.
Look, Mommy, it's all the way to here.
Is that on the back of my hair? It feels like it's on the front.
It's on the front.
Oh, okay.
Hey, look. Let's see it in the camera.
Your hair's actually really easy to work with.
Well,
Hey,
that's
you're
good.
messing up his hair.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no.
We're gonna do a couple in his back. Like
Here's
this,
one.
back.
Oh, this is scary.
I can't.
You know what it reminds me of? I don't
Hey,
know
you're
what
messing
it's.
up his hair.
Okay, you do it. I don't know what it's from, but that Jim Carrey bit where he has the pigtails.
You do it.
I don't know that one either.
I'll have
So
to look it up. And
yeah,
show
I
you.
guess comment that on the video if you guys know what Jim Carrey character I look like.
Like an old lady. That bowl looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's my.
So
Oh, no.
pretty.
Oh, I'm gonna brush it. Where's my brush?
Oh, I thought you said crush it, and I was like, please don't crush it.
No, it's.
This is what happens when you live with girls.
Oh, I
Yes,
found
I am.
it. That's my.
Oh, you're cool.
I'm outnumbered 2-1 here.
You feel like an old lady.
I'm gonna do it all by yourself.
This is news to me, sis.
Do you see?
Oh no. You only got my bottom lip.
Do you want mommy to help?
Oh, that got a little mustache. Might be a little on the mustache.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why don't
Oh,
you
no.
Sorry, customer.
Customer.
How much do you think he's gonna pay for this makeover?
I think he's gonna pay for it $20.
$20?
Whoa!
Good. Let's get the forehead too.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
I'm watching lots of beauty tutorials here.
Oh,
Booty tutorials!
that's not the same thing.
Do this. See his lip.
That's mascara, and you're
Oh.
putting it on the sideways.
Is that
It's
bad?
okay.
This size from this hair? Oh, was she supposed to put that on my cheek?
No.
Okay.
Our customer is looking bad, so
should. I'm scared.
Please, it's okay.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
It's tutorials.
Oh,
Tutorials.
tutorials.
Okay, go on the other side.
Is that what it's called?
Ugh. I can't.
All the way up to the camera.
Oh, let's get close.
I'm not done with his makeup.
Okay. That's different from me. I don't normally look like this.
It's a different look.
To get more makeup on him.
Yeah, that's a look right there.
I want to do
It's a
more
look.
makeup.
It is
One,
a
two,
look
three,
of all the looks.
start! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Alright, do one more thing. Pick one more thing to do.
Oh, yeah, just that's what it needs is one more thing.
One more thing to make him look over the edge gorgeous.
I want.
Okay.
I thought you were doing the blue.
But I'm gonna do lips and stuff.
Okay.
And
right, guys.
this keeps going.
Well, thank you for
It goes
joining
on and
us
on.
today. I'll link below when me and Sophia did each other's makeup. And maybe we'll do this again in the future. What do you
Oh.
think?
We might end up doing this again in the future. I don't know.
All right. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Holding your hair. I'm doing your hair.
Are you gonna tell the vlog bye?
Bye. Video.
Bye.
Video.